In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table fit on one page in Google Docs. This process can be crucial if you're working with large tables and want to maintain a neat and organized document. Let's jump right in and walk through the steps you need to follow. First, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser. Once that's up, navigate to the Google Docs website. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search bar or by entering the URL directly into your address bar. After reaching the Google Docs page, you'll see the sign in option on the upper right-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. You'll then be prompted to type in your email address. Enter your email, then hit next to proceed. After that, input your password and click next. Again, this will log you into your Google account and bring you to the Google Docs home screen. Once you've signed in, look to the right upper side of your screen and click the small box which contains several dots or app icons. From the list of available apps, select Google Docs and this will open up your documents list. The next thing you need to do is open the document containing the table you want to adjust. Once open, look to the top of the page and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose Page Setup. This step is important as it allows us to change the layout of the document. Within the Page Setup window, you have the option to switch the page orientation from portrait to landscape. Choosing landscape will make the page wider, which can provide a better fit for wide tables. After selecting landscape, simply click OK to apply the changes. Now, let's go back to File and select Page Setup again. This time, we're going to adjust the margins. By reducing the left and right margins, you'll provide more space for your table. It's advisable to do this carefully as too little margin might make the document harder to read when printed. Once you've sized the margins as desired, press OK. With your page and margins set, highlight the entire table by clicking and dragging your cursor across it. This will make the next steps much easier. Now, look for the option to edit the table properties. In the menu that appears, you'll see options to adjust column width or row height. Carefully tweak these values to ensure your table fits within the page. This is a bit of trial and error, so adjust these settings as necessary until the entire table fits nicely on one page. And there you have it, a neatly fitted table on a single page in your Google Docs document. Thanks for following along and happy document editing.